If your iPhone is frozen, stuck, or not responding to touch, don't panic. In this video, I walk you through the process and how to fix a frozen or unresponsive iPhone step by step. The quickest fix for most frozen iPhones is just a forced restart. This won't delete your data, it simply refreshes your system. So here's how to do it. Press and quickly release the volume up button, then the volume down, and press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. When you see the Apple logo, that's the time to release the power button. And just like that, you know exactly what to do with your frozen iPhone. Just a quick tip, sometimes your iPhone may appear frozen, but it's actually out of battery. Just plug it into a charger and wait for 10 to 15 minutes. Also, if your storage is almost full, your iPhone may slow down or freeze. And that's it. If this video helps you out, then forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching. Until next time, peace out.